We all know the havoc created by COVID-19 pandemic. Due to its pervasive nature, we have been forced to have a restricted physical and social life. But do you know over 1 million people who have been suffering from any kind of mental illnesses? What would have happened to them? Yes, they have had a tough time. They too were in dire need of healthcare facilities. Not only them, but all of us have been facing certain mental health issues since the pandemic. Gone are the days when only physical health was of prime importance. But today, we can make a difference by supporting each other in achieving the psychological well being, as today is 10th October and today is recognized as World Mental Health Day. And today, we will be discussing certain measures which would help individuals who stay alone, who have issues related to depression, and who have the feeling of unwantedness and suicidal tendencies. So keep watching the video for more.
Hello everyone. Today on World Mental Health Day, we are going to tell on depression, its symptoms and how to deal with depression. Now, let's see what is depression. The persistent feeling of sadness or loss of interest that characterizes major depression can lead to a range of behavioral and physical symptoms. Now, let's see signs and symptoms of depression. First, persistent feelings of sadness. Second, loss of interest in activities. Third, trouble sleeping or oversleeping. Fourth, appetite or weight changes. Fifth, fatigue or decreased energy. Sixth, difficulty in thinking clearly or quickly. Seventh, irritability, frustration or pessimism. Eighth, physical aches and pains. Ninth, recurrent thoughts of death or suicide.
Now, we are going to see that how we can cope up with depression. These points are given by Ministry of Health. First, follow a routine. Second, travel. Third, be creative. Fourth, take multivitamins but only prescribed by doctor. Next, think positive and always be optimistic. Next, practice yoga and any kind of physical exercise. Stay clean. Sleep for minimum 8 hours. Next, eat fruits and veggies. And last one is go for walks. These all points are help us to deal with depression. Thank you.
It's natural for children, like adults, to experience emotional ups and downs. For some children, feeling blue for an extended period can be a sign of depression. If your child's mental health interferes with social activities, interests, schoolwork, or family life, it's time to get help. How will you find out whether your child is suffering from depression? Here are some signs and symptoms. Number 1, sadness that lasts most of the day. Number 2, more crankiness and irritability than usual. Number 3, an inability to have fun doing things that used to be fun. Number 4, regressing in behavior, acting younger than their age. Next, feeling tired all time for no medical reason. Next, trouble sleeping through the night. And the last is changes in appetite. Offer support and show your feelings of love and concern for your child. And hug your child often. By doing this, you can form a close bond with the child, hence making him or her feel secured.
Feeling of unwanted or loneliness in individuals and how to manage and help them to have a sound mental health. Loneliness. What is loneliness? Loneliness is a state of mind linked to wanting human contact but still feeling alone. People can be alone and not feel lonely, or they can have contact with many people and still experience feeling of isolation. Socially isolated people may lack friends or close classmates, and they often feel lonely or depressed. They can suffer from low self-esteem or anxiety. To overcome loneliness. How to emerge from loneliness. So देखते हैं. Join a interesting group like a book club. तो आप कोई भी interesting क्लब स्कूल में हो या कोई ग्रुप हो, डांस हो, आप ज्वाइन कर सकते हो. बुक क्लब ज्वाइन कर सकते हो, लाइब्रेरी ज्वाइन कर सकते हो आप कहीं से. सो दिस कैन ऑल हेल्प इन ओवरकमिंग लोनलीनेस. देन रिकनेक्ट विद फ्रेंड्स एंड रिलेटिव्स. अपने फ्रेंड्स से, स्कूल फ्रेंड्स से, नेबर्स में, रिलेटिव्स में उनसे रिकनेक्ट होइए, उनसे बात करने की कोशिश कीजिए. देन थर्ड, वॉलंटियर विद अ लोकल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. कोई भी लोकल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में आप वॉलंटियर कर सकते हो. इससे क्या होगा, आपकी हेल्थ के लिए ये बेनिफिट होगा, आपके माइंड के लिए बेनिफिट होगा. सो दिस कैन ऑल्सो बी वेरी हेल्पफुल. देन बी ओपन टू इन्विटेशंस एंड गो आउट. पार्टीज में जाओ, बाहर घूमो, मॉर्निंग वॉक में जाओ, कोई भी बाहर एक्टिविटी करो. वर्क ऑन अ हॉबी. आपकी कोई अगर हॉबी है, लाइक आपको पेंटिंग पसंद है, आपको गार्डनिंग पसंद है, आपको म्यूजिक पसंद है, आप उस हॉबी में आप वर्क कर सकते हो. आप पेंटिंग कर सकते हो, आप गार्डनिंग कर सकते हो. इससे ये आपकी साइकोलॉजी के लिए बहुत अच्छा होगा, बहुत बेनिफिशियल होगा. आप इससे भी लोनलीनेस को आप ओवरकम कर सकते हो. देन टेक अ सर्विस एट योर प्लेस ऑफ वर्कशॉप. सो आप अपनी जहां पे आप वर्क करते हो वहां भी आप कोई एक्टिविटी कर सकते हो. Now, how to cope with loneliness? Help. Don't be afraid to ask for help. Speak to your doctor. अगर आपको ज़्यादा ही लग रहा है, आपके मेंटल हेल्थ में प्रॉब्लम आ रही है, आप डॉक्टर से ज़रूर बात कीजिए. Patience. Be patient and take your time. Don't rush doing things. Talk. Talk to someone about how you are feeling and what is going through your mind. किसी में भी जिसको आप ट्रस्ट करते हो, जो आपको सुने समझे, आप उनसे बात कीजिए. अपने पेरेंट्स से बात कीजिए, अपने ब्रदर सिस्टर से बात कीजिए. एक्टिविटीज. टेक सम सिंपल स्टेप्स टू एंगेज इन समथिंग न्यू. व्हाट अबाउट ज्वाइनिंग अ क्लास और ग्रुप? व्हाट अबाउट अ न्यू हॉबी और वॉलंटियरिंग? कोई न्यू हॉबी को करना या कोई नई हॉबी करना या कोई न्यू ग्रुप करना, ये इसलिए इंपॉर्टेंट है, ये इसलिए बेनिफिशियल है कोई भी न्यू एक्टिविटी करना, क्योंकि लोनली पीपल मोस्टली बोर हो जाते हैं, लेजी रहते हैं. अगर आप कोई एक्टिविटी करोगे तो आप बोर्डम आपका खत्म होगा, नई नई चीजें आप सीखोगे, तो आपके माइंड के लिए भी ये रिफ्रेशिंग होगा, इंटरेस्टिंग होगा. ये लोनलीनेस के लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट और बहुत इफेक्टिव टेक्निक है. एक्टिविटीज, कोई भी नई हॉबी करना, कोई भी नई एक्टिविटी स्टार्ट करना. देन नेक्स्ट इज कनेक्शंस. ट्राई टू कनेक्ट विद सम फैमिली और ओल्ड फ्रेंड्स. व्हाट अबाउट मीटिंग न्यू पीपल? थॉट्स. Write down your thoughts and try to challenge any which are unhelpful. This is very important and very beneficial. Thoughts, अपनी journaling करना, अपनी डायरी में thoughts लिखना, आज आप, या फिर ये लिखना आज आपने क्या क्या किया and आप क्या क्या सोच रहे हो. This is very very important and very beneficial. Then self care, very important. This is also very important. Take time to look after yourself. Make sure you eat a well balanced diet, staying hydrated, getting enough sleep and exercising. This is also very good for overcoming loneliness. Then support. Find support. This can be either online or by phone. Diary. Regularly schedule in some fun activities into a diary. So you have to have a goal. आप goal oriented आप रहोगे तो भी it is very beneficial for mind. And अगर कोई भी इंडिविजुअल, कोई भी ह्यूमन अगर गोल ओरिएंटेड रहता है, सो दे ऑलवेज गेट मोटिवेटेड एंड दिस कैन ऑल्सो बैश लोनलीनेस. सो दीज आर.
Let us see some of the ways through which can keep your mental health.
Everyone nowadays has a demanding ideology in their daily lives. We have all seen and experienced a lot throughout this pandemic. Hello everyone. This is Monica Sharma, a student teacher of B.Ed batch, Army Institute of Education, Greater Noida. We all need to attain mental serenity, in my opinion, and it is one of the most crucial components of living a healthy lifestyle. We just need to do things that make us happy, relieve us or bring a smile on our faces. What I do is paint, draw, and sketch, which makes me feel good and also helps me relieve the stress of my strenuous daily schedule. I recommend that everyone should set aside some time for oneself on a daily basis to do activities that make them happy and offer them peace of mind. Here are some of my paintings and sketches.
Good morning, everyone. On the occasion of World Mental Health Day 2021, I Pushpa Kumari is here to share some of my images and experiences which help me to keep and maintain my mental health. So, to keep my mental health, the first and the foremost thing that I do is meditation. Second, I spend my time with my mother, like to have fun with friends, do plantation. As we all know, for living in good environment, it's pertinent to plant more and more trees. Our eating habit needs to be very healthy, so I used to like to eat my favorite food. I also do worship for peace. I'm very fond to draw as I'm very creative, so I also like to give my time to my hobby.
My reflection on all the mental health activities that I do is that it gives me respite from the hectic schedule and heals our mind, which helps in doing our work more efficiently.